Are you into sports? Like really into sports? Have you ever considered a career in sports? Brad Reynolds is a student in Georgia Southern University's online Master of Science in Sport Management while he's working as a graduate assistant in athletics, and he's turning his obsession into a profession.
My parents always told me if I paid attention to sports as much as I do my education, I'd be in Harvard by now. I hope one day to eventually be an athletic director. I think that's everyone's dream at a Power 5 school, you know. That would be ideal. I think that would be really exciting and a goal I hope to accomplish one day.
Sport management is an exciting career that can take you anywhere, from local recreation to the professional sports arena or anywhere in the world. In the 100% online Masters in Sport Management, you can get started with career training without interrupting your life. Brad is not only taking online courses in the program, he's also a graduate assistant who leads marketing for several sports at Georgia Southern. Our students have access to assistantships in research, athletics, and student-athlete support. It's how Brad is getting the hands-on experience to get closer and closer to his goal.
There's a lot of work that still needs to go into it. There's a lot I'm still learning, but it's honestly exciting to see, be part of a program and an athletic department, and just that I know that my goal is coming. It's just continue to work and continue to educate myself.
Georgia Southern's online Masters in Sport Management is ranked in the top 10 online sport management degrees in the country, and our graduates have gone on to work in state and county sports commissions, collegiate sports, and professional sports organizations. For Brad, he's not only found a great program, he's found a home with professors who make time to help him with courses and time management, and fans who show him how exciting sports can be.
Everyone is just a huge community, everyone's a huge family, and that's what I love so much about Georgia Southern. That's why I really wanted to come here. Everyone is so passionate, and there's so many good fans and so many great people in here, and that's what Eagle Nation is, and I love it. And it's a blue-collar work ethic, and that's what I've always strived to accomplish. And everyone is just, I love the community. That's the big thing of Eagle Nation. I love it, honestly.
Want to get started in an exciting career in sports? Check out the online Master of Science in Sport Management at Georgia Southern.